Shisha Hookah round tablet-shaped charcoal briquette production line. The high-efficiency rotary press equipped with a automatically feeding conveyor directly feed into the hopper. "11 dies, smaller capacity, 4 kilowatts, 13,000 picks per hour the output capacity. The molding can be changed. The feeding thickness, the rotary speed, and the thickness of the round tablet charcoal briquette is all able to adjust. The charcoal powder we suggested is used below 1 mm, smaller sized. After mixed well with the binder and the fast ignited materials, we can feed into the briquette machines. Rotary working very high efficiency. This is bigger capacity 19 dies model, 5.5 kilowatt, and the capacity is 40,000 picks per hour. Wholesaling tablets diameter 33 mm, 36 mm, 38 mm, and 40 mm. Like this is the normal size, normal shape, and we can make also the donut, the circle shaped. After the briquettes, we must use the dryer to remove the extra moisture before the packing. We suggest use like this air energy heat pump dryer with the trays. This is metal trays, and we put on the charcoal briquette tablets on the trays and slide into the dryer. Every 4 hours, we can finish one batch drying. This is inside. This is extra another kit. We can also use removable trays, so we can push inside the dryer oven drying room. After drying the moisture, and then we can use the automatically sorting and packing bagging machine. It's automatically working, the feeding conveyor, sorting, and bagging speed is all adjustable. By adding the automatically packing bagging machine equipment, you can raise up a big difference for the high efficiency. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to contact him.